Changing your verification method on WhatsApp can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and select the account option. This section contains all the settings related to your account security and privacy. Step 4. Select two-step verification. Within the account settings, look for two-step verification and tap on it. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5. Change verification method. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, your verification method on WhatsApp will be updated. Always ensure your account is secure by regularly reviewing your settings.